We had tremendous rallies, sold out rallies. They were packed, and the enthusiasm's never been better. So that was a great thing, and it was nice to be able to campaign one day without being in this ridiculous show trial, Biden trial, I call it.
Former President Trump has left the campaign trail and is now heading to court in Manhattan. The former president spoke before the proceedings. The judge held a hearing to consider 4 more potential violations of a gag order imposed on the former president. Eric Shawn has details.
Former President Donald Trump returning to court Thursday. It's the 3rd week of his New York City criminal trial. Before the jury heard any testimony, Trump faced the prospect of additional sanctions for violating the gag order Judge Juan Merchan imposed on him.
They have no case. They have no case. But we have a very conflicted judge, unfortunately.
The judge has already fined Trump $9,000 Tuesday for violating the rule prohibiting him from speaking publicly about witnesses or jurors in the case. Merchan went on to warn Trump the former president could also face jail time if he continues to ignore the order.
Also, he can't talk about this leading prosecutor who came from the Biden administration.
Back on the stand, Beverly Hills lawyer Keith Davidson, the attorney who represented both Playboy model Karen McDougal and adult film star Stormy Daniels in their deals. On Tuesday, Davidson testified he negotiated the $280,000 paid to both McDougal and Daniels to hide their alleged affairs with Trump. While Davidson said he did not speak to Trump directly, he did testify that he believed the deal would benefit Trump's election efforts in 2016. At a rally yesterday in Wisconsin, the former president again blasted the trial.
He's a totally conflicted judge. And unfortunately, it's a 95% or so Democrat area. Other than that, things are wonderful.
Every morning when the former president arrives here, he attacks the case. This morning, he called it a show trial. But prosecutors say they have a strong case. At Manhattan Criminal Court, I'm Eric Shawn, Fox 32, Chicago.